Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use the type tool in this tutorial. So this is the type tool. In left hand side toolbar, press T from your keyboard and you will see a couple of options over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use the horizontal type tool. Select it there and type this is Photoshop. Let me increase the size to 70 and bring it in the middle. This is the simple type tool. If you want to make further changes on this one, just press T or click on this one. Change the color from this, not from this. Let me change the color from this and see what happens. Now let me change the color from this and see what happens. So you can change the color from both palettes. Sometimes this palette doesn't work, so you have to change the color from this palette. See this? If I have changed the color back, but there is a pink, this palette doesn't change, it stayed black. So you have to be careful sometimes. So for the for text color, use this instead of this. So this is always a safe side. Go to your layer panel, see a new layer is selected over there. Just make sure the text layer is selected. Go to your Windows panel. If you don't see the properties related to text over there, click on the characters. You will see these all properties related to the text. You want to increase the size on this logo or the icon. If you see that when I roll over, the arrow is appear over there. See this. Easily you can increase or decrease the size. You wanna make it bigger, the height of the text or less. See this. You can make the text height bigger or smaller through this tool. So I'm gonna keep it 100% at this stage. Stretch the text through this option. You will see that it's stretching. The space is not increasing between the characters, it's stretching. See this? The text is stretching. Let me make it back to 100%. This is bold, italic. This text has only this property. Font has only this property. So that's why it's bold over there. No problem. This tool. Now you are going to increase the space between different characters. See this. Even you can shrink it. This is very helpful when you make the logos through text. This is the auto. This option will only work when I have multiple lines. Let me create one more line. Just copy and paste this text. What happened? It's okay. We can write the text again. This is Photoshop. Let me copy and paste it. Here you go. So now go to the layer panel, double click on it. This is the previous text layer. Not sure what happened. Just remove it. So this one, double click on it, and now the concept is I want to decrease the size between two layers. So let me go with that way and see. I decrease the text space between two lines. Now I want to increase. You can further go with that way and increase this space. So these are the text properties which you can use here. Now you can see a couple of options over there. This is superscript, subscript, strike the text, italic, and you want to make it bigger. So I selected this type. That's why the text is appearing all in capital letters. If I unselect it, see this text will appear normally. So let me select this T2. The text is appearing normally. See this is totally changed. When I click on this option, see this. These are by default predefined options. you can select all those too. Let me select all those, see what happen. But I do not need those. Might be I will go with this option only. So these are the things. After that, this is the paragraph. These are all the paragraph options you see in the Word document. Same left, you want to start from left, you want to middle, from right alignment, and so on. So these are all options which you can see under all Microsoft Word documents. So this is the text property. Let me select another property now, the vertical type, and type the same thing. This is, yes, this is, we type. So we don't have much space. Let me drag and drop it here. See, this is stopping vertical over there. Now vertical type mask tool, this is masking. This is, if you have some image over there, you want to create the mask, see this what happened. Now I want to do the multiple colors in this one. Green is my brush. Let's go to the new layer. Just close the layer panel, no problem. Go to the window and select the layer. See this, I want to do another color in this option. See this, it is called masking. You can also mask the image with the same way. Let me draw one shape over there with this color. Let me mask it. Hello. Because this is the smart layer, let me convert it to the normal layer, and let me see this. I deleted that one. I will also teach you in my next videos what's the difference between the smart layer and the normal layer, and what are the benefits to keep the smart layer. However, I want to delete the further part, so that's why I converted it to the normal layer. And now see this. This is called masking. Same like the horizontal type mask tool. That was the vertical type. So if I type hello, so it will work vertically with the same way. So this is the tutorial related to our type tool. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.